Affordable, stylish, and packed with modern features, Icon golf carts are making waves in the world of personal and recreational vehicles. But can this underdog really compete with the big names like Club Car and Yamaha? Welcome back, folks. I am your host, Greg. Today, we're diving deep into the Icon golf cart, a brand that's been creating quite the buzz lately. Is it all hype? Or is this truly the best bang for your buck? Stick around, because we'll cover performance, features, build quality, and even answer the question, is it worth your hard-earned cash? We post new videos regularly and listen to recommendations on what golf carts we should review. So be a part of us by subscribing and hitting that notifications bell. Let's get started. Right off the bat, the Icon carts stand out with their modern design. From the sharp LED headlights to the ergonomic seating, it's clear Icon aimed to blend style with functionality. And let's not forget those bold color options, because who doesn't want to roll in style? But looks are just the beginning. Let's pop the hood and talk specs. The Icon golf cart comes loaded with features you'd usually find in pricier models. We're talking a digital dashboard, USB charging ports, a Bluetooth speaker system, and even an onboard battery indicator. Convenience is the name of the game here. These bad boys come street legal straight out of the box. Turn signals, seat belts, side mirrors, and all. No costly upgrades required to hit the neighborhood roads. Performance-wise, Icon carts pack a punch. Powered by a 48-volt AC motor, they deliver smooth acceleration and can hit speeds of up to 25 miles per hour. That's faster than some higher-end competitors. And don't worry about those pesky hills. These carts handle inclines well. Let's talk battery life, arguably the heart of any electric vehicle. Icon golf carts boast a range of up to 40 miles on a single charge, depending on terrain and load. Charging is straightforward, and if you opt for lithium-ion batteries, you're looking at faster charge times and a longer lifespan. Before we go any further, let's talk about the different Icon models and what they bring to the table. Icon has a lineup tailored to a wide range of needs, so understanding these options is key to picking the right one for you. Let's start with the i20. This is Icon's compact two-seater model, perfect for smaller households or single riders. Despite its size, it packs all the features you'd expect: street legal gear, a strong motor, and great range. Next up, the i40. Think of this as the go-to four-seater model, ideal for families, small groups, or anyone who needs that extra seating capacity. And if you want a touch of luxury and added functionality, the i40L takes it up a notch with a lifted suspension, making it perfect for rougher terrains or those who just want a higher ride. But what if you need even more space? Enter the i60 and i60L. These are six-seaters, designed for larger groups or families. The i60L includes that lifted design, ensuring it's not just spacious, but also rugged. Finally, for those who want to customize their ride, Icon offers a range of accessories: roof racks, premium wheels, and even weather enclosures. Now, here's the kicker. Icon golf carts start at around $8,000, a price point that undercuts many competitors without skimping on features. Whether you're a casual golfer or someone looking for a fun way to get around, Icon delivers serious value. While the Icon golf cart offers impressive features, it's important to consider some potential drawbacks. Some users have noted that the seats, though durable, can be quite firm, potentially affecting comfort during extended use. Additionally, the interior space, while adequate, may not be as generous as that of some competitors like Club Car. Owners commonly face powertrain and motor issues, along with inconsistent battery performance that limits travel distance. Another point to consider is the ride quality. Some owners have mentioned that the suspension can feel stiff, leading to a rougher ride compared to other brands. This is particularly noticeable on uneven terrain. Finally, and maybe most importantly, concerns have also been raised about the availability of replacement parts and the responsiveness of customer service. Some users report delays in obtaining parts and difficulties in communication, which could be a significant inconvenience if maintenance is required. These factors don't necessarily overshadow the benefits of the Icon golf cart, but they're worth keeping in mind to ensure it aligns with your specific needs and expectations. Remember, no product is without its flaws. The key is to determine whether these potential downsides are deal breakers for you or simply minor inconveniences in an otherwise appealing package. So, is the Icon golf cart worth it? If you're after an affordable, feature-packed, and stylish ride, it's hard to beat. Sure, it's not a club car or Yamaha, but at this price point, Icon proves that luxury doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. That's a wrap on our Icon golf cart review. What do you think? Are these carts the future of affordable electric vehicles? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more in-depth reviews. Check out our channel for more golf cart reviews and tips. Thanks for watching. I have been your host, Greg. See you next time.